get ready with me to look the part of a drop dead gorgeous black queen. Bronzer brush to blend in the harsh lines. Using the same blender I used in blending my concealer to just highlight my cheekbones, and I'm going in with a beauty blender I used in blending my foundation to blend in all the harsh lines. You don't want to have any harsh lines, so make sure that every process you're going back to blend your harsh lines. So before setting your under eyes, make sure there's no creasing. Go back in with the same blender and blend your under eyes once more before you begin setting. Once again, I'm blending all the harsh lines and I'm using my Sephora Micro Smooth Baked Face Powder. This powder right here is a must-have. I can tell you guys how many times I've used this powder, and the price point is very affordable. I'm going to list everything I'm using in the description box, so make sure to check that out. I'm using the same Sephora Micro Smooth powder to set the contour on my nose. This just works best for setting my nose contour, and I love using this. I highly recommend this face powder, guys. Make sure to get this if you have my skin tone. I don't think I have a brow tutorial on my channel. Please let me know if you'd like to see one from me. The easiest way to get a beautiful eyeshadow shade is to just go in with the same bronzer you used on your face, to use that as your eyeshadow shade. That is exactly what I'm using today. The bronzer I used on my face, the Fenty Beauty bronzer, is what I used on my eyes, and I'm going in with my favorite mascara at the moment. And guys, I like applying my lashes from underneath. I don't know if there's anybody that does this like me as well. Please let me know in the comment section. At this point, I was almost done with my makeup, but I felt like there was something missing, and it was just this bright under eyes. Look at how pretty this is. So this is a mixture of my Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Cinnamon Bun, and I also mixed that with my Sacha Buttercup. I love how this turned out. This is so pretty, and I just decided that, you know what, why just leave this under the eyes? Go ahead and just put this everywhere. Like everywhere I applied my concealer, I just decided I was gonna highlight it, and that's exactly what I did, and I love how it turned out. Guys, don't forget, always go back in to blend in your hash lines. So I went back in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Baked Powder to blend in the hash lines. This is me just dusting off any excess setting powder, just setting everything to make sure that it looks seamless and pretty. And I also decided that I wanted to add a little color on my face. I went in with my eyeshadow shade, like a warm shade from my eyeshadow palette, to just apply that all over my face. And for the lips, guys, I am doing this beautiful lip combo, starting off with my favorite lip liner. This is Molasses from Sephora's collection. This is a very pretty liner, very affordable. I'm almost out, so I need to restock it. This is so easy to apply, very smooth, and I love the fact that it has inbuilt sharpener, so you don't have to worry about sharpening it. You just need to twist it and use it till you finish using it. I love it. So I decided to pair this with one of my new favorite lipsticks, and this is a pinkish nude lipstick. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Pure Hollywood. This is so pretty by itself, but I just decided, you know what, I'm into the glossy look, so I decided to go in again with a lip gloss, and I'm using my Sephora's gloss in the shade, I think it's Brave. So it is the Sephora's glossed lip gloss in the shade Brave. So pretty, guys. And there you have it, your drop dead gorgeous black queen. Thanks guys for watching. Please let me know if you've been loving the makeup content I've been putting up, and also if there's any video you like to see from me. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until my next video, bye my loves.